Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Say happy Friday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without wasting your time, let's get to start today. 80% of women in South Africa are married to guys like Musam Saleka. You know, as a wife, what you need to do for your husband to love you is to give him peace. That's what exactly Umateleshi was doing Kulo season. Yothando Nesthembu season 9. People are dragging her saying Matele, she needs to join the Mzumbe train. No, guys, she doesn't have to join the Mzumbe train. Just to remember, there was a time where Makamaleshi was doing exactly what Umateleshi is doing. Umateleshi has now clocked the game. She decided to be a wife in Bogoto and begezeling and agree with her husband. And you already know by watching Uthando Nesthembu from season 1 to season 9, if you want to be on Musam Saleka's good books, you have to agree with him. That's what exactly Umateleshi is doing. So today, Musam Saleka, as a way to say goodbye to Uthando Nesthembu season 9, he posted his wife Matele Ndlunkulu lapha on Instagram with the caption, "It is up to you to decide whether there is love. Love is unconditional," something like that. Guys, you can see they are kissing each other with Matele, saying goodbye to your viewers of South Africa. We say we're going to love each other. Guys, Umatele has been nothing but a supportive wife. So people are saying, Umatele uli man. If you are Ndlunkulu, you'll understand. It's very hard being Matele's position. Guys, Uma Khumalo right now, she wanna act as if she was not doing exactly. Umangwabe, when it comes to Mangwabe, I don't want to talk about it. She is my favorite Mangwabe, but I feel like Umangwabe, she's everywhere, guys. She feels like she owns Musam Saleka. Musam Saleka needs to give her all the time in the world. Everybody deserves to be loved. Even Samke, she deserves to be loved, guys. I don't see anything wrong with Musam Saleka loving Samke, guys. It's temporary. You have joined other women, so don't come here and act as if we know you're the only wife. It doesn't work like that. Even if you have all the money in the world, like Makumalo, the husband will still do whatever he wants. There are women that are married. It's only her and her husband, but they're going through a lot, guys. Sometimes you have to accept a side chick for your husband not to leave you. You have to accept children. People are going through a lot. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this video? Don't forget to subscribe, so like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.